Good morning. We are doing class 9, chapter 4. Okay. Linear equation in two variables. Exercise 4.1. Number 1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Only you have to write the linear equation. Okay. So how to do? Let me show you solution. We don't know what the cost of a notebook, so let the cost of a notebook not book notebook be, suppose we are taking rupees x. Okay, and the cost of a pen be, suppose will take rupees y. Okay, no, only you to write the linear equation in two variables. Now by question part or according to question. By question part, it is given the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. This is the cost of a notebook, so x equal to twice the cost of a pen. You can keep like this, or you can bring in the left side this one, plus this side become minus twice equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable. Question number 2. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each cases. Here 5 questions are there. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. Okay, so let me express, let me show you. Okay, one by one. Number 1, twice x plus 3y equal to 9.35 recurring. It is given in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first we have to bring all the term in the left hand side. Okay, twice x plus 3y, this is plus, if you bring the left side it will become minus 9.35 recurring, that should become 0. We cannot keep any negative sign because you have to express in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So twice x plus 3y, it is minus, you give plus sign and write minus 9.35 recurring within bracket equal to 0. Okay, so this is your ax plus by plus c, this one. So how will that, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a equal to coefficient of x is called a equal to here 2, b equal to coefficient of y, it is 3, c equal to constant term minus 9.35 recurring. Okay, now solution to question number 2. Okay, solution: x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, so how will do x, though it is minus, you to give plus sign, and here no coefficient of y, so you'll write minus 1 by 5. This y you'll write outside. It is minus, you put plus sign and write minus 10 within bracket. So this is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, and then here a equal to what? A means coefficient of x. Here it is 1. No coefficient means 1. B means coefficient of y. It is minus 1 by 5. And C means constant term. It is minus 10. Okay. Now solution to question number 3. Okay. Solution. It is given x equal to 3y. Same as before. First you bring all the term in the left hand side. This is plus. If you bring the left hand side, it will become minus equal to 0. X, though it is minus, you put plus sign, and minus 3 you write within bracket. Minus 3. Okay. There is no constant term. No constant term will take 0. Okay. Equal to 0. Actually you should not write this one. For your clearance only I have taken 0 here. Okay. So which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a means coefficient of x, it is 1. B means constant term minus 3. B means coefficient of y, it is minus 3. C means constant term, no constant term is here, so we have taken 0. Okay, you can take just 0 or you may not write this 0, but whenever constant or any term is not given, you have to take that term as 0. Okay. Now solution to question number 4. Okay, solution to question number 4. Solution. It is given thrice x plus 2 equal to 0. First you see which term is missing here. That x and constant term is there. Y is missing. Okay, here y is missing. So the term which is missing, that one you have to take as 0. So plus 0 into y. You can write like this, no? 0 into y, 0 only. Then this plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Which term is missing, that one you have to take 0. Alright. So which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here a equal to this 3, b equal to 0, c equal to 2. Okay. Solution to question number 5. Okay. Solution, y minus 2 equal to 0. So here x is missing, so to take x as 0. So 0 into x plus y plus minus 2, you write within bracket equal to 0. Which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Here a means coefficient of x, it is 0. B means coefficient of y, here nothing means 1. C equal to constant term. Okay. So this is the last question for today. Okay.